What's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeeps here with another video. And today's video is actually very exciting. It's something that I want to do for so long. So I have my old headlights. This is one of them. I did this. Here's all the extra things, but it is all this. So I got the new set. Got these. I'm wanting to do some custom headlights, including the lenses, some etched lenses on the back side. I'm gonna order some halos to put in the reflector and around the actual lens thing. I can't remember the name, sorry. I'm gonna etch these myself, and you'll see that process. But I'm gonna have those etched. I'm gonna do halos. That's gonna be today's episode. We're doing custom headlights. Just stay tuned to the end. You're gonna see the custom headlights. Super excited. These are gonna come out. Etched lenses look so good. And halos, I would love to do the LED demon eye thing too, but future, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, let's go.
Alright guys, so I should have some packages that are here. Oh, there they are. Let's get to open them. Alright guys, so here we go. Here we go. This is what's in today's episode. Really the same thing. One is just in a box and one is not. So, lovely, made in China. Budget build, you know how it goes. Look at that. 80 millimeters. Let's go ahead and take one out. Hello? Where am I at? Here. Right on there. Number one. And number two. Perfectamundo. What more do you want? Now, I'm gonna test fit these suckers. And this is the prepared lens. Just like that. There we go. All done. All set. Can you see it well? I don't know, but let's go ahead and start taking this off. These came out super good, super happy with the way they came out. Super easy to do. Ooh, let's go ahead and get these installed with the halos. Let's set everything up so we can go ahead and put them all together. All right, ready, all ready to go into the car. Well, after I reassemble everything, but there's one. Looking good, I think it came out super great. Time to work on number two. Okay, so I have the halos mounted in here. You can't see them because I don't want to move them, but time to go ahead and attach. Oop, not that. This to this. So let's get to that. Gorgeous. So I finished putting the headlights back together, got the halos, got everything installed on them. I'm putting them in the car now, but we polished them up. I think they came out really well. Alright, I've got it teed in to the accessory wire. I've got it grounded. Now I'm going to start it. Watch the headlight. Let me know if it turns on.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what we're going to do.
I really hope it turns on. Woo!
Did it turn on?
Yeah, come look.
Oh, this looks so good. They came out so much better than I thought they were. Oh, look, and they stay on because they're the parking lights. Woo! That was sick.
We're filming right next to our AC unit, so if you can't hear, I'm sorry.
That was sick. Came out really well.
I wonder how southern we sound to other people.
Who cares? How y'all doing?
Leave a comment down below if we sound southern to you.
Nah, we're not that bad. I'm not that bad. You're kind of bad, but I'm not that bad.
He thinks he does not sound southern at all.
I don't sound southern. I am from up north.
What did you lose?
I lost the ball to close the box. One of them. Yeah, I got the 2 wires. I'm going to run them to the other wires, splice into them. Make these guys get power and ground. And then we'll turn on the car. See how it looks. Came out super good. Super excited.
Show the back how the wires are coming out.
Shout out to Cricket. Oh, these, they're pinched in between the rubber right here, so they still get this proper seal. That word, yeah. So this is the first install on the budget build. Oh! You guys saw the yellow headlights. I had those on this car when I bought the car, or whoever had them on there, I don't know. But I picked up these from a guy about 2 hours away, Facebook Marketplace. Tell you what, Facebook Marketplace is how you build a budget car. But I picked them up for how much?
I think like 150.
I think they're 150 instead of $600. They're OEM BMW Z4 headlights.
Yeah, really cool guy. Shout out if you ever see this video.
Shout out to you. He had a 330i ZHP, blue with some beautiful halos. But he was a cool guy. He said he had a Z4, sold it, got the headlights, an extra set. Beautiful custom headlights for, in total, probably about headlights were 150, halos were 20 bucks, and then some vinyl.
Probably like $1.
$1
maybe.
worth of vinyl. You could order it if you don't have a Cricket. Probably cost you $5 if you go somewhere local. But heck yeah, super easy to make some custom headlights on a budget too. What are you talking about? You want to be in Import Alliance? You want to be in Slammed enough?
This angle though is everything.
Go to Facebook Marketplace.
So we've been out here since 10 a.m.
Yeah.
And it's what time?
I don't know.
Probably like 5.
Close to 5. So
And
7
it's
hours,
literally like 95 degrees outside.
7 hours worth of work in the hot sun, and you too can have yourself some honeycomb, some honeycomb headlights. Time to wire these suckers and then turn them on.
Here we go. Do the thing. Do the thing.
Which way? This way or that way?
That way.
That way?
Yeah.
I went both ways there. Let's go up. Alright, so we got that one hooked up, grounded, everything. This one hooked up. You saw this one was on, so we're gonna go ahead and test them both out and then see what happens.
Fingers crossed, guys. It's been a long day. Yeah.
Those are so bright. That is exactly what I wanted. I want them to be extremely bright. There we go.
Very good.
They work. Gonna throw the car back together. And then it's gonna be nighttime soon. We're gonna go out and see how they look in the night. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna throw up a few shots right here or down there. I don't know, but they're gonna be somewhere. And just gonna do a quick voiceover. But anyways, that's how you build a custom set of headlights for about 20 bucks. That's 20 bucks on the halos, a couple bucks on the vinyl. Shouldn't be much at all unless you can cut it yourself. You can even do it by hand if you want. Go get some vinyl, an X-Acto knife, take your time. Come out really nice, have them sandblasted on the backside. Super easy to do, and they make your car look so much better. Next episode is gonna be a car check, I think, so you'll see more of the daylight, shots in the daylight. I wanted to get some shots during the nighttime. You saw some of it. I'll get better shots during the next video, so stay tuned for that. But again, super easy. Probably one of my favorite mods I've been wanting to do for so long. $20 custom set of headlights. You cannot beat that, I promise you that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave a link to the halos in the description below. They're on Amazon, $10 for a set of 2 halo rings, super cheap. In fact, if you only wanna put 1 set of halos, just a little single one, it's only $10 for a set of custom headlights. You cannot beat that, I promise you. Maybe you can, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.